Hey there, welcome to Gtechai. I want to remove vocals from any song in one click. In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to separate vocals and instruments using a powerful AI tool. Whether you are creating karaoke track, music cover, remix, or background music for YouTube videos, this guide will show you the easiest way to get professional quality results. Now, watch to the end to know everything. Now here, use this powerful AI called manual. So you can see I'm in it already. Then I'll follow the sign up processes and then follow this step. Now here, to do it now, what we do now here is to first type this prompt here. Let me type it and then explain. Now you can see how I type it here. Remove the vocal from the song, leave only the instrumental music, and make the song completely instrumental. This will make it to recreate it to instrumental only song. Now I will use a song that has vocal to show you, and then after removing the vocal, I'll also play it. Now let's test this song here. Let's test this. Now let me skip it to the vocal section.
Why do we fight? Why do we shed the blood of our brothers, of our lovers?
Now you can hear the vocal. Now you have heard the vocal in the music, in the song. Now let's remove the vocal here. Go back to manuals here. Now let's upload it here by clicking this plus icon here, and then click on add from local files here. Now to go to the storage where you save the song. And here you can see I'm in the storage and in the folder where I saved the song. Here what I will do now is to click on it and then wait for it to upload. Now after it have uploaded, what you do now is to click on this upper icon in order for the AI to separate the instrumental from the vocal, like this, from the song here, like this. As you can see, it is processing it. And here on the thinking is where you can know the stages is in. Now as you can see, it have removed the vocal. Now let's test the remove vocal instrumental music. Now to download it, what you do now is to click on view all files here. Now what you do now is to click on this three line icon on the side here, and then you can see here download. You can see here many places you can send it to. Now here I will click on download here. You can see it is downloaded. You can see it, you have downloaded here. You can see it. You can see it here. Always make sure you have the legal right to edit or reuse a song. Removing vocal does not automatically give you permission to distribute or commercially use copyrighted music. So guys, that's how to remove vocal from any song in one click. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. See you on the playlist. Check out the playlist on the screen to know how to create AI music. See you there and have a great day.